As you can see, it's March 21st, and once again dealing with the snow. Of course, I left all my mountain bikes at work, so I'm out riding the Quick Beam with the cyclocross speed tires this morning. Just gonna take it easy. We're supposed to get about upwards of 4+ inches today. Wind's coming out of the north. Feels pretty miserable, and I think we're not going to have many customers come into the store today. So the ones that thought that winter was over got really tricked this time. The plows have been up a couple times this morning already, and it's just the wind's coming out of the northeast. So this is probably being fed by the Lake Michigan, and yeah, the snow's pretty heavy on the ground, so it's kind of a lot of effort to get moving on this stuff. So maybe one day it'll get better out here. But in the meantime, we'll just keep plugging along. There's a car. Good thing they have a SUV with 4-wheel drive. Yeah, March 23rd. My daughter's birthday today. Happy birthday, Anna.